morning, guys. Saving with y'all see that vein popping? Woo, look at that vein action. But listen, I am Shay. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you smash like button, support your girl, and don't forget to make sure you post notifications on so you never, ever miss out on anything that I post, right? Because I've been posting up on the community tab, and so definitely make sure that you are clicking the bell for all notifications. All right, so this is my midweek. Now, as far as Ibotta, y'all, I need 10 offers for $1. It's not the greatest, so if I hit it, I do. If I don't, I don't. I'm not gonna stress it. We're gonna do what we want to do. Things do seem a little slower right now as far as Ibotta, which kind of sucks, but Flavor Wiki is coming through for the win, and they like bam, 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 bam. They are really hitting some hard ones too, y'all. And so I'm super stoked to be able to do more deals on that app. Oh, I got the drink survey again, and I was almost not gonna do it, but I was like, look, I'm making $10 on something I would definitely drink. So I'm gonna do that again. I did the cereal one yesterday, and I got it again. So I'm kind of low-key like, damn, do I really want more cereal? And I figured it's something I can send to David. Y'all know he's in college now, and I figured I could send it to him. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that one again though. And so there's that. What else did I do? As far as Flavor Wiki, I think that was it. Now I did get this finally got this coupon in the mail. It's for the Bob's Red Meal pancake mix. This is a social nature coupon. Like a lot of their freebies are in-store freebies, but they do have some that they send you a coupon for. And so I have this one, and there's an Ibotta offer for $1.50. So I'm gonna use that probably today. I got this one too for the butter, right? But I'm waiting for it to pop up on Ibotta. Like, I know there's an offer on Merryfield for $1, which will make it a $1 moneymaker, but I really want to see if I can make it a bigger moneymaker. So I'm going to hold on to this and try to use it before it expires. It doesn't expire till December 30th. And so, yeah, so I have it for a while. So I'm going to hold on to this, but I will be using this one here today. Other than that, you guys, we're going to head over to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of options that we can grab today. If you want to see what you got, you have to do. Keep on watching. Alright guys, so this first deal is on the Philo's walking tamales. Look, this store doesn't carry them. I'll pop up a picture I took at the other store that does carry them. It's like on this chili aisle. I'm not even sure if the offer is available anymore. I know a few of you guys said that you don't have it. And so they are priced at $197. The offer on Shopkick was for $5.50. So the first time I did 3 of the 2 flavors. They only had 2 of 3. And I got 3, and it was $5.50 back. So it made it a 31-cent moneymaker. Now, I did it the next day, and it had went to 500 kicks, which is $2. So it still makes it a freebie if you still have this offer. And I went ahead and got 3 of each flavor. The next 2 deals are going to be on the Little Debbie's Swiss rolls and the oatmeal cream pies. They're both priced at $2.68. Now, we do have a 10-cent any breakfast bar rebate on Ibotta that it's working for. And then we have $5 for each of them on Flavor Wiki for doing surveys. It'll make one a $2.42 moneymaker and the other one a $2.32 moneymaker. All right, so next up is the Great Value brand frosted cookies and cream. What are these? Pop-Tarts? 12 counts is priced at, but check your stores because some stores might carry them in a 6 count. Thank you, Amy. But my store only carries the 12 count for the cookies and cream one. So you're going to grab one of these, $197, get back $5 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $3.03 moneymaker. Now we're also going to grab the Pop-Tarts brand frosted brown sugar cinnamon ones. These are priced at $2.62, getting back 5 makes it a $2.38 moneymaker. Next up is the Bob's Red Meal pancake mix priced at $4.98. We're gonna grab one of them. I'll be using this free coupon again that I got from Social Nature, making it free, and then I'll get back $1.50 on Ibotta, making this a $1.50 moneymaker. So this next combo deal is another Flavor Wiki deal. Now we're gonna be grabbing this large bag of the multi-meal cinnamon toasters priced at $5.76. Then we're gonna grab the cinnamon toast crunch right here, priced at $4.44. The price for both is gonna come to $10.20, and then I'm gonna get back an offer on Flavor Wiki. I have one survey that's $16, and then there's one where it's $2 for each. So we're gonna get back a total of $20. I'm making these both free plus $9.80. Now I did tell you guys that this offer reset. I was looking for, and I probably should have got that one originally, but I got the one that was pictured, even though I know that you can get smaller ones if there is no size restriction. And so I think what I'm going to do is get the cup. This store doesn't carry the little dollar cups of these. So I'm going to try getting the cup for $1. And then I remember when they used to have these in the smaller bags, I thought about getting that one, but I don't see it here. I don't think they sell them anymore. And this might be the smallest bag that they have in this particular brand. But if you can't find the little cups, they also have these little boxes here. Remember I showed y'all these a video or so ago? Look how tiny these boxes are. These are $2.97, so that's another alternative too. That would make it a much bigger moneymaker. All right, so this is what we're gonna grab. The multi-meal price at, I want to say $5.76, and then the smaller one here at $1. So the total for both should come to $6.76. And hopefully if I get back $20 on Flavor Wiki, it'll make both free plus a $13.24 moneymaker. So I'll let you know how this works out. So this is the last cookie item that I have as far as the snack surveys on Flavor Wiki. It's on the Nutella biscuits. Now, I'm not really sure. I assume this one would work. The one on the offer, it says s'mores, but this doesn't say s'mores, but it's the one that's pictured. So I low-key want to try it, but I would hate if it doesn't work. Anyways, it's priced at $4.93, and you're getting back $5 through Flavor Wiki. So it would make it like, what is that? 7-cent moneymaker. So yeah, I'm not really sure yet if I'm gonna do this or not. They look really good though, don't they? Guys, I really don't want to go over every single sports drink deal, but I did get this offer again on Flavor Wiki. It's for the Gatorade. It has to be the fruit punch one, the lemon lime one, and the cool blue one. They're priced at $1.48, getting back $2 for each on Flavor Wiki. You can always stack it with Ibotta, getting back $1 when you buy 2, or with Walmart Rewards, which is what I did and grabbed 4. And then the Powerade ones are $1. Same thing, grab 1, pay 1, get back 2, makes 3 of the flavors, the fruit punch, the mountain berry blast, and the grape, makes them $1 moneymaker for each one. And then last but not least is the body armor. For this one, you have to get the strawberry banana, the fruit punch, and the orange mango for $1. I've been using $1 off 2 hang tag coupon, getting them in sets of 2, getting back $2 for each on Flavor Wiki. Makes the first set of 2 with the coupon, you'll pay $1, get back 4, $3 moneymaker. And then the second set, grabbing 2, getting back 2 for Flavor Wiki. Well, you pay 1, you'll get back 2, making that set $1 moneymaker. So basically, you'll get all 4 bottles for a $4 moneymaker, which is really cool. So, all right, so this next deal is on the Zico coconut water. Big shout out to Saving with Save, our Savannah, over on Instagram for this deal. It's an aisles offer. You'll grab one at $4.48, and you'll get that back, making this absolutely free. I'll have a link for you in the description. All right, as if we need more sodas, right? Because I know that we don't, but just because we don't need it don't mean that we ain't going to get it. So this deal is on the A&W Zero Sugar or the Squirt Zero Sugar. They're on rollback for $5.36. I did put a post up on my community tab this morning. For this, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. You'll end up paying $10.72. There is an offer on Ibotta for $2.50 back. You'll get that back for each of them. There's also a 10-cent soda rebate as well. So $5.10 total back from Ibotta, and then we'll get back $3.50 on Swagbucks for buying 2, making them only $1.06 each, which is definitely not bad. You know, especially for something that you really don't need. All right, so next up is the Mott's Active. These are priced at $3.13. We have an offer on Shopkick for 500 kicks, which is $2, bringing these down to only $1.13 each with a limit of 3 per flavor. So I went ahead and grabbed 3 of each. I'm hoping Josiah likes these, because if he don't, guess what I'm about to be drinking. And so, yeah, definitely not a bad deal. While I fix this, let's just give a shout out to the universe. Say, hey, universe. How you doing? You see me? I need it too. You said, look, boo, I got you. I got you. We're gonna go ahead and grab two of them, priced at $8.98. We'll end up paying $17.96 out of pocket. We'll get back $4.50 for each on Ibotta. Plus, there's a buy one get one free offer on aisles. It seems to be resetting for me, making them both free plus a 2-cent moneymaker. All right, guys, here is our complete haul for today. The thing that I love about this, y'all, is everything is pretty much edible except the Pinkie Pad. So 99% of this is edible, which I absolutely love. Because it's food, the tax is a lot lower. So my tax for this was like $5.50. And that's just because a lot of this is CRV. So in California, we pay a CRV. So those 12 packs, I pay like 60 cents CRV. And I'm an avid recycler, so I definitely will get it back. Now, as far as all of my surveys for Flavor Wiki, yeah, your girl is I still have a lot to do. I'm gonna try to knock them all out today, between today and tomorrow, which will be really, really cool. Other than that, what else? Really quick, because I know a few of you guys are gonna ask, with Flavor Wiki, how long does it take to pay out? I would say give it a couple days. I know that the first set of surveys that I think I did only 3 the first day. Those came through like the second day, like 2 days after. And so it doesn't take super long, but when you get the payment, they email it to you, kind of like they do for Social Nature. So you have to actually like approve the payment or whatever. And so just be aware of that. But it does go pretty quick. Only thing is, once you do the pre-qualification survey, you only have 5 days to actually buy the product and do the survey. So just keep that in mind as well. Only thing I don't think I mentioned was the St. James. When I was looking for trying to find the link that I have for my last video, which is a buy one get one free, I couldn't find it, but I found one get one free. So I grabbed this one at $2.48, got that back through aisles, making it absolutely free, and then I got back $1 on Ibotta, so $1 moneymaker for that. The aisles offers have all been approved already, and it should take, I think it said 24 to 48 hours for the Pinkie, the Zico, and the St. James. St. James actually went through already, though. That one's already in my PayPal. Other than that, I think that's basically it for this haul, you guys. Again, super awesome haul. A lot of stuff I can donate or give to my sister because she has little ones. And Josiah, he won't eat any of this. He'll drink the Gatorade and the Powerade. If I tell him the Bob's Red Meal is Ain't Your Mama, he might eat that. But other than that, he's not gonna mess with none of this. And so, again, a lot I'll be able to donate. I'm hoping that he'll drink these Mott's, though. I can put them in his lunches. And so, other than that, nothing else I can add. Let's knock this out. All right, so everything that you see here retails $134.34. I had $6.98 in coupons. That coupon for the pancake mix, it scanned perfectly fine. Of course, it did have to be approved, but it scanned perfectly fine. Well, I don't know if being approved means it's scanned perfectly fine, but you know what I'm saying. And then the coupons on the Body Armor scanned as well. Brought the out-of-pocket down to $127.36. My sales tax was $5.59. Flavor Wiki, $63. Shopkick, $37.24. Ibotta, $17.70. Aisles, $15.94. Swagbucks, $3.50. Walmart Rewards, $1. And Fresh Reward was 75 cents. Walking away with a total of $139.13 back in rebates, making everything you see here free plus $11.77, which is really awesome. After sales tax, we still make $6.18, which is definitely not bad. Now, really quick, one thing with the Sunkiss. I did that first thing this morning at like 6 o'clock. On Swagbucks, it said 0 redemptions available. I don't understand why it said that. I don't think I've ever seen that before, but I did have to put a ticket in for that. So I'm hoping that that works out. Other than that, everything else went really good. And so, as always, I appreciate you guys watching. If you get to the end. Jojo, what was our emoji again? What was our emoji? He told me to and I forgot. A goat. A goat, y'all. Right, Bug? It was a goat, right? A goat. I was like, a goat, Josiah? So if you make it to the end of the video, we'd love to see a goat emoji in the comments. Now, if you can't find a goat, any farm animal will do. And so we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.